Folks, welcome back to the channel. Doug with Stacking Investments here. Just showing y'all, giving you an update what I've been doing. Been working on the old truck here. I had a sticky caliper, so I replaced the caliper and the brakes, but I had to come back and do this piece here. This is the brake rotors. Had to do that just because you can see the wear there. I had to order it, so I got the new one in. I put a new set of pads on it. To do that, I had to pull the axle out. This piece right here had to come out to get that off of there, but got the new rotor on. Got the new pads. I got to put the tires on and set her down. I've also been busy. Working on my other trailer here. I had to change the spindle because I couldn't put one of these trailer tires on because the bolt patterns were different. I had a different tire on there, so now I got the same tire on both sides. Plus I rewired with a new set of lights. Got new lights. Here in South Carolina we don't need lights, but we're fixing to take a road trip with both trailers, and so I figured I'd go ahead and protected the wire down through there when I ran it all the way up. So got to get this trailer ready to load up, and that's what I've been doing. Next up on the truck, I'll probably do another video. I've got to change the universal joints. I got 3 of them under this big behemoth, and I love this truck. Oh, I don't know if I told you, I don't think I did a video. I sold the other truck. I sold it. I put $4,000 on it. Had several people wanted it for $3,000, but they didn't come back. And I wound up, a gentleman purchased the other truck for, I let it go for $2,700. It was a good truck. I should have probably kept it because all the parts on it will fit this one. But working to pay that house off, so the funds from that sale of that truck went into that lot of money. So getting close, getting very close. Gonna be looking to get into some silver videos here shortly. I did made some purchases, and I've been selling good at the flea market. And I purchased I got 2 Engelhart 10-ounce bars. Some of it I may not be able to do a video on because I got it packed away and out for sale. I've just been too busy to do a video. And but I got some more coin and silver videos coming, so I'll see y'all on another one.